You know you are smart. You know your ideas are top class. And you know you deserve better. But every time you have to speak to your boss, your clients, your colleagues, you don't know where to start. You have a lot to say, but don't know quite how to say it. Because you're afraid. You're afraid of sounding foolish. Don't worry. All you need is vitamin C. And that's C for confidence. Confidence is a mental muscle. All of us have it, but few of us exercise it every day. In this workshop, I will give you tips and tricks to grow your confidence step by step. Whether it is in an interview or a presentation, a sales pitch or a YouTube video, you will be able to overcome your fears and to speak effectively. I'm Pramath Sinha. I have worked with top multinationals, built universities of excellence, and founded many companies, including Harappa, your number one resource for professional skills. At Harappa, we create solutions for working professionals like you to help you shine in your career. In this workshop, I will draw on my personal experiences of over 35 years to show you how you can speak confidently and get yourself heard at the workplace. Stop selling yourself short. It's time to unleash the confidence that's hiding inside you. Register now.